You've got clients, you've got credibility, but you're still trading your hours for income. So here's a real question. Are you ready to turn your knowledge into a digital product that sells while you're sleeping? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Krista Jones, and I help creatives grow smarter, not busier, by turning what they already know into scalable offers. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 crystal clear signs that you're ready to launch your first digital product. By the end of this video, you'll know whether to hit publish or pause and prep a little bit more. So sign number 1 that you're ready is that you're repeating yourself constantly. If you've ever typed the same email more than twice, that's a red flag, but in a good way. If it's repeatable, it's productable. Let's say you're a brand photographer and every new client asks you the same set of questions. What should I wear? How do I pose? What do I do with my hands? Instead of repeating that advice 10 more times, turn it into a downloadable prep guide, a mini training, or even a voice memo series. Repetition equals opportunity. Ask yourself, what do I say in every single discovery call? Take the response and then try turning that into a product. What template, guide, or checklist do I always reference? Could this be a paid download instead of another freebie? Sign 2, your brand is already trusted. You don't need 10,000 followers, but you do need trust. Trust is what sells digital products, not just traffic. Here's a quick checklist. If you have a signature service, you've delivered real results, you're showing up consistently in email, Instagram, podcast, YouTube, etc. These are all signs that you're ready to think of your brand as a storefront. If people are already window shopping, your digital product is just the add to cart moment. Sign 3, you have one offer that solves one problem. This is where many creatives overcomplicate things. Instead of a 12-module mega course, start with one problem solution. This could be a 30-minute video training. It could be a template that saves 5 hours of someone's time. Other examples, a calligrapher could offer a template for pricing quote sheets and sell that to other calligraphers. A website designer might sell a Showit SEO checklist. A business coach could create a 5-day mindset shift email series. The smaller your product is to start, the faster it's going to be to finish, and thus the easier it's going to be to launch. Sign number 4 that you're ready. You're ready to build once and then sell repeatedly. This is the magic of digital products. You can create it once and then sell it as many times as you want. It's not fully passive though, at least not at first. You're going to need to establish some foundational systems. To start, you're probably going to need these pieces of tech. You're going to need some sort of sales page in order to talk about your product and actually have the button that they can click to make a purchase. You're also going to need some sort of delivery system. Some cart systems can do this. Sometimes other people will set this up through their email marketing system like Flowdesk or Kit. You're also going to need some way to collect the money. It could be an embedded Shopify button. I'll include a tutorial below that shows you how to do that with Showit, or WooCommerce, or some other third-party cart system. And then ideally, you would also have some sort of lead magnet. This is going to be a way to keep building your list. Even if somebody is not ready to make a purchase, maybe they'll download this lead magnet and get on your list, and then you can make an offer in the future. Sign 5, you're willing to promote, especially at first. This is the part many creatives missed. They think that if they build it, they will come. That doesn't really work unless maybe you're Beyonce or Taylor Swift. Even so-called passive income needs an active launch runway. For example, if you're getting ready to launch a product in the next 4 weeks or so, this is how you might structure your launch schedule. Week 1, you might tease the transformation. So what will somebody achieve by purchasing your product? Week 2, you could show behind the scenes or testimonials of early testers. Week 3, you could preview the product. And week 4 is maybe when you open the cart and finally ask for the sale. You're going to need some sort of plan to create buzz and educate people on the value of what you're offering. And you're also going to need to make sure that you have a clear offer. People can't buy what they don't know exists. All right, here's the truth. You don't need to be ready in the traditional sense. You just need to be clear, committed, and willing to show up. So let's recap. If people trust your brand, if you've got one big problem that you can solve for other people, if you could handle all of the tools required to pull all these pieces together and make the sale, if you're ready to promote your product consistently, then yes, you're ready to launch a digital product. And if not, no shame in backing a step up to build a rock solid foundation first. All right, if this video helped you clarify your next move, hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to grab your free launch checklist below. Remember, if your work already has value, let's package it up so that people can benefit from it and so that you can finally scale without burning out.